All right, we're back today for another amp dyno, the Boss Riot R3004, rated for, it's a 4-channel amp, rated for 1200 watts. I'm sure that's a max rating. We're gonna see what it does RMS. I'm gonna be testing these all at 4 ohms bridged. Channels 1 and 2 are bridged together, 3 and 4 are bridged together. This amp has a bass knob that runs channels 3 and 4, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm going to do this test at 40 hertz here and 1K here, because I think somebody would run, say, a couple of door speakers off of the front channels and a sub or two off of the rear channels and use the bass knob to control the sub. I kind of think that's neat about this amp. This amp has two 30-amp fuses. That should tell you something. We're not going to be anywhere near 1200 watts. Again, I'm sure that's a max rating. And check this out. This is kind of cool. Let me turn. I want to show you this logo. That's pretty cool. I don't know. The way that lights up looks nice. It's even. I think it's pretty neat. This is a budget amp. It's a cheaper amp for sure. All right. Let's see what this... what these front two channels do on 1 kilohertz. So unpause the track and roll it up. 151 watts at 3.9 ohms. All right, let me stop the video and switch stuff around. Oh yeah, the current, 61.1 amps of current, and the voltage dropped to 14.6. It started at 14.8, went to 14.6. And let me say this, all of these channels are loaded right now. So that did pull on the amp for all these channels during that run. So that voltage drop and that current, that's what the amp is going to do. Anyhow, in a realistic situation, all channels are loaded, because if I just test here and I don't load these down on resistors, I'll get more wattage here, and it's not realistic to how somebody would have this hooked up in their vehicle and running all the channels. All right, sit tight and let's see what those two rear channels do.